Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here with Don's Appliances. Today I'm going with the 36-inch built-in refrigerator from Signature Kitchen Suite. This is 84.5 inches high. This is a mammoth fridge with a ton of options. Let me open this door here. You see the brilliant lighting. You see the great stainless, tons of room. And first off, you see the pitchers, so you could fit your large pitchers on here. You can fit your large pitchers on the glass too. Even on the door, you can fit great size of condiments and, the quart jugs, things like that. What we really want to talk about is some of the features here. Look at the stainless steel, the internal water, which is, ideal and which missing in a lot of built-ins. So your water's right here. The convenience of it is you can use it with a sport bottle. You can use it with a pitcher or a glass. So you're not really dedicated to it. And it keeps the front of your refrigerator, whether it's stainless like this one or whether it's paneled, really kind of keeps that front clean. So if there's any mess, you can just wipe it up nice and easily right here. 2 bin drawers rounded out, so look at that, they're easy close, which I love. Plenty of ample storage here. This is great glass, and even under here are the lighting. So, once there's a lot of food in here, it kind of gets a little bit dimmer, but if you see up here, here's the lighting. So you could really change that. In the dedicated setting here, you could turn it on. We have it in demo mode right now, but you can set it to your desired temperatures, whether you like it at 34, 36, whatever it is, things like that. So really great. Ton of adjustability on the shelves. Great stainless finish on here too. Is really what we like to see. So these super convenient. You could really take these up to half sizes too, so they're not the dedicated pegs. So you can really customize the door, which I love, especially in the built-ins. Everyone said there's not enough room, things like that. But now with the adjusting of the doors, you could really fit your condiments and your milk and things like that. And they come with this just to show you that it can fit a pizza box, which is unbelievable. So that's a 15-inch deep shelf. So that door will close with a pizza box, and you don't have to really take it and put it on its side or jam it in or find any other way. So closes nice and easy. The converted rack right in the center here. So this has adjustable dividers, whether you want to go inside or out, depending on what you're putting in here. Then on the dual zone on the top, you could adjust the temperature, whether you're going to keep this for fruits and veggies, deli meats, or raw protein, things like that. So this can turn into a wine chiller. You can kind of make this all of your own, really customize it, sets it apart from the fridge. And the good part is when you set it apart from the refrigerator, you're using less. So you're not opening all this to get a drink or grab something quick snack. So now you just open this out. It's quick and convenient for everyone in the household, okay? Let's open the bottom, and there's great lighting in this freezer too. I love this. So, everybody worries about, the French door freezers, the pools. Again, dividers right here for everything you need, which is nice. Removable ice bin as well. So your ice will come here, they're crescents, but if you got to load your cooler or you need to load an ice bucket, nothing is more convenient than taking it out just in this tub, especially for cleanability, so you don't really have to remove the tray. All right, easy close on that as well. Rounds it out, but this is an amazing piece of refrigeration, ton of options, keep everything cool and looking cool. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you.